Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to enable TLS 1.0 and 1.1 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable your TLS 1.0 and 1.1 on your Windows, then I will show you simple method to enable this option. First of all, you just need to click on search option. Here you need to type internet option. Click on internet option. After that, you can see here advanced tab. Click on that. Scroll down. Use TLS 1.0 and use TLS 1.1. If these both are unchecked in your case, you have to check mark this both option, then click on apply, then click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable TLS 1.0 and 1.1 on your Windows. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.